Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Like it, play it, share it, sing it, move it, check it, dedicate it. Go, zoom it.
Hello and welcome to Zoom It, guys. This is your social jockey Nikita, and you know what? आज कोई ऐसा वैसा दिन नहीं है. After all, today is Mother's Day. एक ऐसा दिन where we show extra love for our mommies. So why not we take in a few requests जो specially moms के लिए dedicated है. So let's check out our first request, which is a video request. So let's see.
Hey Nikita, this is Nigel here. I would like to dedicate a song, Papa the Band Bajaye, just for my mom. Because my mom is just like Hitler. Whenever my dad or we come home late, my mom just bajaos us like anything. Hitler mom, this is just for you.
So he's calling his mom a Hitler on Mother's Day. वैसे आपके लिए गाने का नाम होना चाहिए था मम्मा तो बैंड बजाए. But it's okay. For now, पापा तो बैंड बजाए. You know guys, Mother's Day तो ठीक है, लेकिन our show is incomplete without a romantic request. So let's check out our next request, which is सुन रहा है, dedicated by Humayun for Sarmina and her messages. I'm very sorry. Whatever I have done is really disgusting. I know that you will hate me like anything else, but I miss you. Please forgive me. तो आपने ऐसा क्या किया है, boss? But nevertheless, since you're apologizing and accepting your mistake, I think we'll give it to you. You know guys, Twitter पर कोई बहुत serious हो रहा है. Well, check this out. Recently, Varun Dhawan has tweeted saying, smoking is one of the biggest reasons people get cancer. So please don't be a victim of peer pressure. It's not cool. So that is Varun Dhawan giving out a message to all of you. लेकिन you know what? What is going to be more cool? And we are going to take a short break right now. आप लोग कहीं मत जाइए, मुझसे बातें करते रहिए और my Twitter handle @GoZoomIt.
Go, zoom it. Go, zoom it.
Welcome back guys, this is your social jockey Nikita and you're watching Zoom In. आज है Mother's Day and I think इस Mother's Day के दिन we should all do something to surprise our moms. तो why not आप लोग मुझे बताइए मेरे Twitter handle पर @GoZoomIn कि आप लोग ने क्या किया to surprise your mommies. Till then I'm going to move on to our next request, which is सास जो request किया है इंचारा इंचू ने काव्य के लिए और उनका messages काव्य मेरा कमीना friend. I'm requesting this song on behalf of you. I know you love this song. Hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to say thank you, my buddy. So Kavya, do say thank you to Inchara Inchu क्योंकि इस बार तो आपके लिए song dedicate कर रहे हैं जो आपका favorite है. लेकिन अगली बार अगर आपने thank you नहीं बोला तो he'll dedicate हर एक friend कमीना है for you. And अपनी सास को वापस लेकर आओ because our next request is a video request. So let's see. It is.
Hi, my name is Bhumika and I want to dedicate this song to my friend Saloni, Tumi Aur Zindagi from Ashiki 2. She's the best friend and I want to dedicate this song to.
Well, that's really cute, Bhumika. You know what? Love can mean so many forms, and especially if your best friend is dedicating a song to you, well, I'm sure वो आपके लिए एक treat की तरह होगा. Well, guys, now it's time to show you Parineeti Chopra's true love. Well, check out what she tweets. She says, everyone including me, loving my shoes. So it's good to see कि परिणीति चोपड़ा इतनी एक्टिव हो गई है ट्विटर पर. I think वो भी प्रियंका चोपड़ा के फुटस्टेप्स काफी फॉलो कर रही है. लेकिन for now, let's move on to our next request, which is रानी तुम्हें राजा जो डेडिकेट किया है गौरव ने नीलम गिरी के लिए और उनका मैसेजेस. I dedicate this song for my very, 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 very sweet mom. So item mom and just lose some weight by dancing on this song. So आपकी mom is your item, हाँ? आजकल की moms इतनी cool हो गई हैं. For someone mom is Hitler, for someone mom is item. I think this is what makes mommies happy on mommy day. So guys, with this it's time for a short break now. लेकिन break पे जाने से पहले I must tell you before we come back, I want all of y'all to go hug your mom tightly. And अगर आप अपनी mom से थोड़ा दूर हैं, तो send her a nice cute SMS क्योंकि guys, after all, it's Mother's Day.
Go, zoom it. Go, zoom it.
Welcome back guys, this is your social jockey Nikita and you're watching Zoom It on a very special day that is Mother's Day. I hope आप लोगों ने अपनी moms को happy कर दिया होगा by either hugging her tight or by giving her a sweet simple message. Well, with that we will move on to our next request, which is a very interesting video request. So let's see.
Hi Nikita, this is Karan Jetwa. मुझे एक song dedicate करना है मेरे God के लिए. उसका नाम है सचिन तेंदुलकर. उसने 4 बॉल में जो 4 4 मारे मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा है और मैं उसको एक सॉन्ग डेडिकेट करना चाहता हूँ. वो है आला रे आला सचिन भाऊ आला.
वैसे करण सचिन आपके ही नहीं, हम सबके आइडल हैं. एंड रिसेंटली व्हेन आई वेंट फॉर द मुंबई इंडियंस मैच, आई वाज ओनली स्क्रीमिंग फॉर सचिन. तो ये गाना स्पेशली उन लोगों के लिए जो सचिन को अपना आइडल मानते हैं. So guys, आला रे आला, एक और Twitter update आला. Let's check our next tweet. It is by Malika Shirawat, who tweets saying, "Hanging with Alvira and Ashley, love them so much." आप उनसे प्यार करती है, that is why you're hanging with them. Well, we'll move on to our next request. So let's see. It is Dhak Dhak, जो dedicate किया है चेतू ने for his dearest mom. And he says, "Hi Nikita, my mom likes this song from the old film, but me, I like this song from the new film, Dhak Dhak. So this one for my mom, old song from new film. Love you mom." So cute. Old is gold, but new भी कुछ बुरा नहीं है. And I think this is perfect choice because you have old as well as new. इस गाने के बाद तो सारी मॉम्स का दिल धक धक कर रहा होगा. Well, we'll see our next request, which is दगाबाज नैन, जो डेडिकेट किया है पिंकी मल्होत्रा ने for her mom. And उनका message is, "Hey Nikita, I get a lot of compliments for my eyes and I'm quite proud of it because these compliments are because of my mom because she has really beautiful eyes. So I want to dedicate Dagabaz Nain to my mom because she emotes a lot from her eyes." So this is the first time someone's dedicating Dagabaz Nain for her mom. Well, I think आज तो moms are going to be thrilled. After all, उनकी इतनी तारीफ जो हो रही है, well, क्यों ना हो. It's Mother's Day. Guys, I think moms के साथ दगाबाजी तो बहुत हो गई. अब हम एक ब्रेक ले लेते हैं. आप लोग कहीं मत जाइए, मुझसे बातें करते रहिए और my Twitter handle @GoZoomIt.
Go zoom it. Go zoom it.
Welcome back guys, this is your social jockey Nikita and you're watching Zoom It. And आज है Mother's Day, इसलिए आज जितनी भी requests आ रही है, they are all dedicated to our lovely moms. तो चलिए, let's see our next request, which is Sonio, जो dedicate किया है प्रांजलि ने for her mom. And उनका message is, "I dedicate this special song to my special mom because she loves this track a lot. And whenever I play it, she starts humming. And she loves the tune of this song, the melody behind it. And I love her humming. She's a beautiful singer for me." Oh, you know, every mom is the best for their child. And ऐसा हमें सोचना भी चाहिए. After all, they are the first superwoman we meet. So guys, time for another Twitter update. So let's see. Our next tweet is by Jackie Bhagnani, who has tweeted saying, "The top 3 people in my life." Well, so we know that Jackie is a family man. And family से याद आया, guys, it's Mother's Day. तो हमारी जो आखिरी request है, that is another request for a mom. So let's see. It is.
हे निकिता, दिस इज मुजम्मिल कुरैशी. मैं एक सॉन्ग डेडिकेट करना चाहूँगा मेरी माँ को इस मदर्स डे पर, और वो है "तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही हो." ये सॉन्ग सिर्फ और सिर्फ इसलिए क्योंकि मेरी माँ एक बहुत अच्छी दोस्त है. बहुत अच्छी मतलब वो बेस्ट फ्रेंड है मेरी. कोई भी बातें हो, कैसी भी चीज़ें हो, अगर मैं मेरे दोस्तों से शेयर करता हूँ तो उन्हें कभी बोर मारता है. उन्हें लगता है कि मेरी सारी बातें बकवास है, पर एक मेरी माँ ही है जो हमेशा मेरी बकवास को सुनती है, समझती है और हमेशा मुझे स्पेशल फील कराती है. So this song is for you, mom. Love you.
You know what I like about Mother's Day? Finally, हम सबको अपनी moms की एकदम true value पता चल रही है. Even when your friends are not with there, the only one person who will always stand next to you is your mom. So guys, with this song, it's a wrap. लेकिन आज का हमारा जो special Mother's Day episode था, I hope it's left all the moms being proud about motherhood. With this, we'll come to an end of the show. लेकिन उससे पहले, I must remind you, you have to keep sending in your requests on apps.facebook.com/GoZoomIt. And now, as you know, you can also send in video requests on gozoomit@gmail.com. And आप लोग मुझसे बातें तो करते रह सकते हैं on my Twitter handle @gozoomit. तो चलिए, till then, you guys know what to do. Don't just like it, go zoom it.
Go zoom it.